Billions of dollars in investments are driving major projects in Kansas. These investments include advanced manufacturing, renewable energy, and regional infrastructure. These major developments are transforming the region. There are more than 200,000 current and future projects. Value, $17.8 trillion. Panasonic Power Plant. The Panasonic Energy Facility in DeSoto, Kansas, is not a power plant, but rather one of North America's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing facilities. It is the largest private economic development project in Kansas history. The facility officially held its grand opening on July 14, 2025, and has recently expanded its strategic roadmap to produce advanced power components for both the automotive and artificial intelligence sectors. Total investment approximately $4 billion. Expected to support up to 4,000 high-tech manufacturing jobs at full capacity. Planned annual capacity of 32 gigawatt-hour, boosting Panasonic's total United States output capability to 73 gigawatt-hour. DeSoto's facility is being prepared to manufacture battery cells for artificial intelligence data centers. Electric vehicle battery production will continue alongside this new line. Mass production of the complete data center cell line is expected to begin between late 2028 and early 2029. Northwest Wichita Water Treatment Plant. This is a vital facility being built in Wichita, Kansas. The facility is the largest capital infrastructure project in the city's history. It is designed to provide drinking water to approximately 500,000 residents. This represents about 20% of the state's population. The project primarily aims to replace the old treatment plant in the city center. The plant is built on a 40-acre site. The plant has the capacity to treat and pump 120 million gallons of drinking water per day. The total cost of the project ranges from $500 million to $573 million. The city hopes to take full ownership of the plant by September 2026. Following this, a 6-month trial and monitoring period will begin. Full operation is expected to be fully connected to the network in the spring of 2027. Mattel Adventure Park and KCK Destination. This is a major tourist and entertainment destination currently under development and construction. The project is distinguished by being the second officially licensed theme park from the global toy company Mattel in the United States. The total cost is approximately $539 million. Of this, approximately $158 million is allocated to the construction of the Mattel theme park. Actual vertical construction is scheduled to begin by October 2027. The park and resort are expected to be completed by October 2030. It will open to the public no later than May 2031. The largest power line in the United States. The Grain Belt Express has awarded $1.7 billion in contracts to Quanta Services and Kiewit Energy Group to begin work on the largest electric transmission project in United States history, an 800-mile line connecting Kansas to Indiana. Phase 1, linking Kansas and Missouri, is set to begin construction in 2026. The line will deliver 5,000 megawatts of power, lower energy costs, and is expected to create more than 4,000 jobs. The project uses high-voltage direct current technology to connect 4 grid regions. More than 1,500 land agreements have been signed in Kansas and Missouri, with $105 million committed to landowners.